Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of above-ground pool pumps to help you find the best option for your pool. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly picks or high-performance powerhouses, we've got you covered. All the product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the XtremepowerUS high-flow sand filter pump system. This pump is designed for pools up to 10,000 gallons and features a 12-inch tank capable of holding 42 pounds of sand. The multi-port valve makes backwashing and maintenance a breeze, and the low-noise design ensures quieter operation during use. The build quality here is solid, with a mixed material construction that balances durability with portability. Its 2400 GPH flow rate is sufficient for smaller to medium-sized above-ground pools, making it a versatile choice for residential use. However, at 24 pounds, the pump is on the heavier side compared to similar models, which may be a consideration if portability is a priority for you. While this pump is dependable and offers efficient filtration, its overall performance doesn't quite stand out compared to higher-ranked models on this list. It's a good entry-level option, but the lack of included advanced features like timers or hydro-aeration technology means it's best suited for users whose primary focus is affordability and simplicity. Pros include ease of use and an efficient filtration system, while cons include a slightly heavier design and fewer advanced features. At number 4, we have the XtremepowerUS 13-inch sand filter pool pump. This model offers similar specs to its sibling, with a 13-inch tank capable of holding 61 pounds of sand and a flow rate of 2400 GPH. The key difference lies in its larger tank capacity, which allows for more efficient filtration and makes it a better choice for larger pools. The design is user-friendly, featuring a 4-way valve that simplifies operation and backwashing. The low-noise performance is another plus, ensuring the pump doesn't disrupt your relaxation time by the pool. However, this pump is slightly bulkier and heavier at 27 pounds, which could be a drawback if you need to move it frequently. In terms of value, the XtremepowerUS 13-inch is a dependable mid-range option. It's ideal for users with larger pools who want an efficient sand filtration system. However, like its counterpart, it lacks advanced features like timers or smart controls. Pros include the larger tank capacity and dependable performance, while cons include its heavier design and lack of modern features. Coming in at number 3 is the CIPU pool pump with timer. This pump is a versatile and energy-efficient option with a 2700 GPH flow rate, making it suitable for pools, hot tubs, and spas. One of its standout features is the built-in timer, which offers 8 different runtime options, from 2 to 24 hours, allowing for hassle-free automation. The design is compact and lightweight at just 11 pounds, making it one of the easiest pumps to move and install. The included filter basket is a thoughtful addition, effectively capturing debris and making maintenance quick and easy. However, while the pump is efficient, its 0.35 plus HP motor may not be sufficient for larger pools, so it's best suited for smaller setups. This pump strikes a good balance between performance and convenience, with the timer function being a major highlight. Pros include its energy efficiency, lightweight design, and timer functionality, while cons include its lower horsepower and limited suitability for larger pools. At number 2, we have the CIPU 12-inch sand filter pump system. This model features a 0.35 HP pump and a 12-inch tank capable of holding 42 pounds of sand, making it suitable for pools up to 7,500 gallons. The 4-way valve simplifies operation and maintenance, and the pre-filter basket adds an extra layer of filtration to keep your pool water crystal clear. The pump is designed with durability in mind, featuring a corrosion-proof thermoplastic housing that ensures long-lasting performance even in harsh weather conditions. At 21 pounds, it's relatively lightweight for a sand filter system, and the 6-foot power cord offers flexibility during installation. However, the 35 GPM flow rate may not be sufficient for larger pools. so it's best suited for medium-sized setups. This pump is an excellent choice for users looking for a durable and efficient sand filter system. Pros include its sturdy build, easy maintenance, and additional pre-filter, while cons include its lower flow rate and limited capacity for larger pools. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the INTEX 26637 EGC1000 cartridge filter pump. This pump is a game changer for above-ground pools, offering a 1000 GPH pump flow rate and the innovative hydro-aeration technology, which improves circulation, filtration, and water clarity while increasing negative ions at the water's surface. The design is compact and lightweight at just 6.9 pounds, making it incredibly easy to install and handle. The Type A filter cartridge is simple to clean and replace, requiring only bi-weekly maintenance. This pump is compatible with INTEX pools up to 6,000 gallons, making it a versatile choice for a range of setups. What sets this pump apart is its exceptional value and user-friendly design. It's perfect for families looking for an affordable yet effective solution to keep their pool water sparkling clean. Pros include its advanced filtration technology, ease of installation, and excellent price point, while the only con is that it's not ideal for pools larger than 6,000 gallons. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect above-ground pool pump for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product reviews. Got questions? Leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Happy swimming!